guys, I've received the package for my drone that I ordered to, you know, this is DJI Neo. DJI, the drone itself, all the way from the United States of America, but owned by Chinese. Let me check what is here. The hand box. The box is very, very small, guys. So small. What will I get inside? Let's check. Seal broken now. So let's open the box. Such a small thing. Very small, very, very small. Too small. Look at this. What do we find here? These are spares for the propeller. See, the propeller is here. The spares. Then this is the screwdriver and the Type C to Type C. See, and these are things the user manual for it. Yeah. So this is the drone itself. It feels heavy despite the size. The size is small, but you can feel the weight. So I think this is the protector for the gimbal. It's here. Here it is. Let me check if I bought this one. Possibly there's no battery, or I still don't know how to use it. So this is what you find in the drone. This is the battery, and this is what is called the DJI Neo. It's a toy drone, but don't underrate it. It's a powerful drone, and we are going to do the testing in some other videos. We are going to do the testing in some other videos. So thank you so much for watching the unboxing of this DJI Neo, and we shall get to know. There are a lot of things that this drone will do for the Acholi people. You will get to see what this drone will do for the Acholi people. To me, it's a dream come true. And once again, mwah.